Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ambassador Chixpo. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can be getting updates regarding trading, market insights, motivational quotes, and how I basically trade, how I do my weekly analysis, and what I look at for in the markets prior to the week. So on today's video, guys, I just quickly want to make this video for those who has been asking me how to actually use TradingView, beginners who are still not very well conversant with the TradingView app. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you the tools and everything on how you can use TradingView. So let's quickly dive into the video. So once you open your TradingView, you're going to be seeing platform like this, and sometimes when you open it, it's going to look like this. You will see a lot of currency pairs here. Whether you're using your phone or your system, you see a lot of currency pairs on your watch list, right? And then mine is already customized. Go to my candle. Normally what you're going to be seeing is green and red, so but mine is customized to my want, right? So here we can see the TradingView background. So for this side here, we have here watch list. Watch list, this is basically where you set the pairs that you trade. Meanwhile, I trade only the BJPY, but I added this pairs for the sake of this video. So this is where you put the pairs you trade. So let's say you trade GBP USD, for instance. You search, you can see at the plus button, you can see the plus button, you click on it and then you search GBP USD. Once you see it, you see different brokers. We have GBP USD on CMC market, we have it on Forex, we have it on Oanda, we have it on these are different brokers, so you just choose one, right? For me, I basically use Forex. So you can see GBP USD has been added, right? It has been added. So you can see that this is how you can add your favorite pair, right? Then coming down to the second one, we have alarm. That's where you add alarm. Let's say you're waiting for a setup or you're waiting for market, right? That's where you can add your alarm. That's where you see pairs that you added alarm. Sorry, that's where to see pairs you added alarm. Then let's go to the next one. This one is data window, right? These ones are not really necessary though. Chat, this one is for if you're using subscribed TradingView, where you can be chatting with other traders. So that is it. Then going to the tools, let's look at the window. If we look at the window, you see here GBP USD, which is signifying the pair that is here, the pair that is opened. Then right here you can add another pair or whatever you want. Then here we have time frames. You can see different time frames. So if the time frame you're looking for is not here, just click on this arrow and it will bring out other time frame as low as 1 second time frame. You can see different time frames, right? Then here we have candle. So how do you want your, here we have different candle, right? We have candles, we have line. You want your chart to be like this, or you want it to be like this. You want to be seeing candle, or you want to be seeing line, depending on what you want, right? So if you want to see more, you can click on the arrow. You can see different ways of putting your candles and all that. So what everybody basically use is this. Then here is indicator. You can add your indicators. Once you click on it, it will open. You search for the indicator you want and add the indicator. So that is it. And then coming to tools, the first one we have the cursor, which is this one I'm using to move around the edition. Then we have trend line tools, which is the one we use to draw trend line, right? We have trend line tools. So anything you're looking for that has to do with trend line can come. You can see different versions of them, right? You can see different versions of them. Then the next one we have fib retracement. So this is your fib level. Fib level is one of the tools on TradingView that helps you to know when price is going to be reversing, right? So this is my own fib level. It's already customized, right? So your own, you can still customize it. Once you click it, you should be having different colors and all that. So you can just click settings, come to settings, and then if you want to customize it to look like my own, you can just screenshot this and then input it on your own. It will then look like my own, very the same. Then for background color, if I take back the background color, you can see that it's going to, I removed my background color, but if I take it out, this is how it's going to be looking, right? So it's looking so rubbish, so I used to take it off, right? So I don't need it. So you can just see my settings if you want to set it like that, right? So the next one is we have just navigate through the way you navigate. This one is long in position. You want to put your long buy order, right? So just navigate through it the way you navigate through your social media platforms. Just navigate. These are tools, the basic tools you need. But let me touch the ones you need. Basically, you need let's quickly do that. We have long position, short position for your positioning, right? Then we have On this we have trend line. On this we have brush to highlight into arrow. Arrow is this one, the one you want to, maybe you want to point something or all that, right? Okay, so that is it, guys. There's not much complication. You can see anyone you see here, anyone you see with stardom is, I added it to my favorites, right? So it's already here. This is where it is. Once you add it to your favorite, it will appear here. It will appear on your screen. Probably it can appear here, it can appear here, it can appear here, it can appear anywhere. So you just carry it and keep it where you want it to be. So these are the tools I use, right? These are the tools I use. So that is it. If you want to reset your background, like let's say you want to reset your background setting, just right click on your mouse. If you are using system, right click on your mouse, or if you are using your phone, double tap your screen, right? Double tap your screen, then this will pop out. Once it pops out, or double tap the candle if you're using phone, double tap the candle. Once you tap it, it will open here. So once here opens, you can see background. I added solid, I made it black, right? I made it black. You can change your own if you want white, if you want green, if you want yellow, whatever color you want, right? So it just depends on what you want and how you want it. So this is basically what I want. And then other things, if you want to add we have Canva. So this basically has to do with your background. If you want to change your candles, so these are your candles, these are the colors. So if you want to change your candle color, let's say you want to add it, you want to make it green, you want to make it yellow, you want to make it oswald, whatever color you want to make it, it's just there for you, right? So that is it. Then events, let's say you opened your chart and you're seeing line, just come here and let me show you what I mean. Like you open your chart and you're seeing line like this, right? Just come here, come to event, click on economic event, remove it, remove section break, remove ideas, just remove those things and your chart will be very neat, right? Just like my own. So that if you're trading will be looking so sweet and so nice. Everything looks very clean, right? I want to believe that this will help you so much to be able to navigate through your trading view. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell to stay updated on anything that has to do with trading.